Hello, I am Aniruddha Talole, lecturer in Computer Technology Department, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss about some basics about a view and what are the operations can be performed on a view. So let us start with a view. Okay, so uh, if my database has a big table, there are multiple columns to that table, and each time when I'm going to access those particular records, I not required all those columns. Okay, so if my table has let us assume 10 or 15 columns, but all those 10 or 15 columns are not at all time required by me in order to perform any kind of operation. A solution is a view. So what is a view? That view is actually is used to make change in appearance of a data. So what I have within my table, I can see the exactly what I wanted to use in order to complete my particular queries. So a view can be a result of a query. It is generally used as a snapshot of a relation. Then it can be used to store other queries and other views definitions also. Okay, so uh, let us see. I'm having a simple table. That table is nothing but a product table. You can see there are 4 columns within my table, and generally there are multiple rows, but for the information or for the practice I have inserted here 5 rows. Okay, so 5 rows are not important for me, but those columns are important for me, because out of those 5 columns or 5 attributes, how many are required to me, that can be performed to show as a view from this whole product table. So within this product table, I will just take just 2 column which I wanted to create a view for this table product. Okay, so let us go for the syntax to create a view. The syntax is create view, view name, as select column name or column names from table name, and where condition. Now see, this condition is important over here, because which are the column you are going to take within your view can be set or can be taken based on this condition only. So out of those 5 tuples or 5 rows, I can have only the rows as per the specified condition. So let us have an example. See, create view, view1. I have given that view name as a vw1, as select product ID, product name. I am taking this product ID and this product name as the column of my view, and the condition I am going to satisfy is from product where product ID greater than 101. So see, here product ID can be matched which is greater than 101, and hence 102, 103 and 104 are the matching tuple or matching rows from this condition. Hence my created view will have the output in terms of that name of that view will be vw1, and it will have just 2 columns out of that 4 columns, and that column will be product ID and product name, but the row will be only this 102 and this whole row 103, 104. Okay, so I am taking this particular snapshot of this table, and that is termed as a view. So this is about the procedure to create a view. Let's we have how to update a view. The create or replace statement is generally used to update a view statement. Okay, and the syntax is create or replace. you need to write create or replace at a time, not just replace, not just create. If you are going for a create, then create, and if you are going for a update, please use create or replace statement. So create or replace view, view name, adds, select column names from table name where condition. Now whatever column name you have given previously, that column name can also be changed, or one more column or two more column can also be added by using this updating view statement. So here I am going to change this condition. Okay, so what is my condition here? Create or replace view, view name, adds, select product ID and product name. I am keeping the product ID and product name column as it is, but I am changing here a condition, and that condition is, now I am changing that condition, instead of 101 I am going to change this up to 103. So now my next created and most updated view VW1 will have the records greater than 103. So previous record will automatically get updated or get deleted by these new replacement statement. Okay, so you can update a view by using this create or replace view statement. Now finally, I have done my job. I do not wanted to keep that database object view into my database, so I can delete that view by using a drop statement. Okay, and the syntax is drop view, view name, and the example is drop view VW1. As soon as you have fired this command, your view will get deleted from the database. Okay, so that's it for the view session. Let us assume that you will perform that practical and send me your doubts or query. So thanks for joining the session. Thank you.